It's a tournament, Clash of York 2, Sights and Sounds. This is field 1. Baez Auto on that sideline. AFN on this one. Food being set up down there. Plenty of parking up there. It's an old stadium, but you know, field's nice. Looks like it's been used in a while. I like it. Morning, Harry. Let's walk over to field 2. I'd say the best place to set up, right along in between the fields. Get here bright and early. Walking over there right now, Tay. Cold out here. Temperature right now is 39 degrees here in York. Grass is wet and frosted over. Goalposts aren't up yet. They got custom made joints for this one. Plenty of space on this back end zone area just to chill at. It's field 2. AFN, Baez Auto. We'll see you all in 20 minutes. We will be live on YouTube.